uh, welcome to ENS. Here in this video we are going to explain how to take attendance of staff. So if you go to human resource and then here next to the staff directory there is staff attendance. If we click on the staff attendance, so you will see the whole list. If you want to search by role, you can search only teachers, so they will come. They will show only teachers. If you select if you say principal, so only principal will be here for the attendance. So you can take attendance for the whole staff as well at once, or you can go role wise as well. So if we today we are going to take attendance as a whole, so I will just take just a random selection, so staff half day, and I will save them, save attendance. And the same as we have shown in the students, if I go for 30th, which is Sunday, and I search it, so all of them, if I say it's holiday, so I can save them as a holiday. If you go to the uh, dashboard, so the staff attendance has been properly showing the progress bars. 7 out of 10 they are present, 7 absent, so 70%, 1 absent, 70% present, 1 late, 1 half day. And you can straight away go from here as well to take the attendance. It will take you to this one, today's date. And if you go to the human resource now and check the attendance here, is so total present 2 days he was present, and here you will be able to see on the 30th it was holiday, 31st he was present in October. So the attendance here will be updated as well. So that's how we are taking attendance of the staff. Thank you very much for watching this video.